This video will help ITI creator to understand how to do their respective roles in the examination module. The ITI creator manages essential functions in the examination module, including updating attendance, entering FA marks, marking the status for practical exam fee, and updating CBT fee. Now, click on the trainee option from the left-hand menu. Do scroll down and check the count of the trainees as per the admission year. To check the details of a particular candidate, they need to click on the Action button. Then click on the Attendance module from the left menu. In the Attendance section, the trainees will be shown according to their eligibility under Eligible and Not Eligible. What is eligible and not eligible? For example, DGT has set the following criteria for eligibility. Now, if any trainee fails to adhere to the set criteria, they will automatically be classified under not eligible candidates by the system. Now, in the attendance module, all the trainees will be listed under not eligible by default as their attendance has not been submitted. To simplify the operations of creator, few filters have been added which we will go through with an example. Now, for example, the creator wants the list to be filtered out for a particular trade. They will click on the trade drop-down, select the particular trade and click on search. Please note, the trainee can also be filtered out according to trainee code, trainee name, trade, shift and unit. Now, to enter the attendance, the user can either enter it manually on the portal through the list or they can do it through bulk update as well. To update attendance in bulk, they will click on Download Attendance Template button to download the Excel sheet. The downloaded sheet will have the candidates for the filtered out trade. Now, they need to enter all the attendance in the sheet as shown. Once the user has updated the data on the Excel sheet, they will click on the Attendance Bulk Update button and then upload the template sheet with all the filled in details. Please note, if there is any issue in the entered data, the system will prompt an error and the user will have to make the required changes and upload the sheet again. Once the user has successfully uploaded the sheet, they will have to click on Save as Draft button. Please note, it is mandatory to click on Save as Draft button after updating a sheet, failing which the update will not get saved. Once the user successfully enters the attendance for all the trainees from all trades, they will be allowed to move the trainees for formative assessment marks, FA marks. If the details are missing for any trainee, the system will not allow the user to move to enter FA marks. Next, the user needs to click on Move to Enter FA Marks button. Please note, attendance for all the trainee must be updated before moving to FA marks. Once the user clicks on Move to Enter FA marks, the trainees fields will be freeze and no changes would be made by the ITI creator. User can only re-update the records for rejected sent back by ITI approver. Only eligible candidates will move to FA marks. This video will help ITI creator to understand how to do their respective roles in the examination module. FA marks section in the left-hand menu. In the FA marks section, the user will be shown the list of eligible and not eligible candidates. They can also filter out the candidates based on trainee code, trainee name, trade, shift and unit. Next, the user will have to click on the Download Marks Template button to download the Excel sheet. Please note, if the user has applied any filters, then the sheet will only have the filtered out data. The user will enter the FA marks for each candidate and upload it by clicking on the Marks Bulk Update button. Post updating, click on Save as Draft button. Please note, The user needs to be sure that all the entered details are correct before going forward. In case there is an error, the error will show you which row has an issue. Go back to the sheet and check if you have filled all the fields for the trainees. Once the user has checked all the updated marks, they need to click on Submit for approval. Then they will get a pop-up. Here they will click on OK. If the approver must reject any data, they will send it back to the creator with their remarks. The ITI creator will have to make the required changes and submit for approval again. Please note, once the data is approved, the changes would be freeze and the not eligible trainees will not move forward. In the practice,